In this video, we are going to learn how to create campaign monitor subscribers from Facebook lead ads. Now, we want that whenever a new lead is generated through Facebook lead ads, by using the details of that particular lead, a new subscriber should be created in campaign monitor. And in order to automate this entire process, we will have to integrate both these applications. And because they do not have any kind of native integration between them, therefore we are going to use an automation and integration software, Pabbly Connect, here in order to connect them. Now what we are going to do, we have Facebook lead ads in our trigger and we have campaign monitor in our action. So we will be connecting both of them in such a way that whenever a new lead will be generated through Facebook lead ads, automatically a new subscriber will be created in our campaign monitor. And in order to learn the entire process step by step, let me take you all to my screen. So in this video, we are going to learn that whenever a new lead is generated in our Facebook lead ads, automatically by using the details of this particular lead, a new subscriber should be created in our campaign monitor account. And this we are going to do by using Pabbly Connect. So let's start learning the process. First of all, in a new tab, we have to search in the address bar pabbly.com/connect. And as we come on the landing page of this software, we can find two options: sign up for free and sign in. So if you are a new user, you have to click on sign up for free to create your free new account in just 2 minutes. And also at the time of account creation, you will get 100 free tasks to explore this amazing software. Now, because I'm already an existing user of Pabbly Connect, so I am clicking on sign in. And here from the all apps sections, we can find all the products offered by Pabbly. Now, in order to create this workflow, we are using Pabbly Connect. So therefore, we have to click on access now on Pabbly Connect. And as we do that, we are on the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here we can find all the workflows which we have created. And to create a new workflow, we have to click on create workflow option given on right corner. And now when we do that, a dialog box is appeared in front of us, which is asking to provide this workflow a suitable name. So let's give it a name: add subscribers in campaign monitor from Facebook lead ads. So this will be the name of our workflow. Now we have to click on create. And as we do that, we can find two windows open in front of us. First is trigger and the next is action. So what are trigger and actions? Trigger and actions are the basic principles on which the entire workflow of any automation runs. Here we can have only one trigger in any workflow, but we can have multiple actions as we want. Okay, so let's understand trigger and actions with this workflow. So here we are using Facebook lead ads in our trigger, which says that whenever a new lead is generated in our Facebook lead ads, automatically a new subscriber should be created in our campaign monitor account, which will be our action. So let's start with the trigger first. First of all, we have to select a trigger application here, which will be Facebook lead ads. Click on it. And now we have to select a trigger event, which is new lead instant. Okay, so before clicking on connect, let me show you that this is the Facebook page on which I am running campaign for lead generation, and this is Meta for developers, and here I am on lead ads testing tool. Here we have to select the page on which we are running the campaign. So as we can see that I am running a page named as Pabbly. So here I have already selected the page, and for lead generation I have selected a lead gen form which is named as contact form. So first of all, in order to create a new lead here, we have to delete the previous lead which is already existing. So by clicking on delete lead option, we can delete the lead. So now our previous lead is deleted. Now we can preview the form. So this is our form named as Pabbly, and here we have only the basic details such as email, full name and phone number, just to capture the details of the lead in Pabbly Connect. Okay, now let me take you to Pabbly Connect again, and now we have to click on connect. So it is asking two options: add new connection or select existing connection. So let's click on add new connection, and now we have to click on connect with Facebook lead ads. And as we do that, automatically my authorization is successful here. Why? Because I have already logged into my Facebook account, and you also have to keep in mind always to be logged into your applications before connecting them with Pabbly Connect. Okay. So here we can see that our Facebook lead ad is already connected with Pabbly Connect. Now we have to select the page which we want to connect here. So my page, as you know, is Pabbly. So I'm selecting it. And now we have to select the lead gen form. So I am using the contact form here. So we'll select it, and now we have to click on save and send test request in order to capture the details. And as we do that, it is showing waiting for webhook response. Now we have to do a test submission by submitting this form. So let's enter the details one by one. First is email. So I am giving dummy email over here, and a dummy name and a dummy phone number. Okay, now we have to click on next and click on submit. Now we can see that a new lead is generated over here through this form submission. Now let's go and check on Pabbly Connect. So we can see that we have already received the details with the name as demo lead, phone number and the email which we have entered there in the lead gen form. Now let's move on to the next step, which is action step. So what will be our action step? Our action step will be to use the detail which we have received through form submission from Facebook lead ads in order to create a new subscriber in our campaign monitor account. So here our action application will be campaign monitor. Click on it and now we have to select our action event, which will be add subscriber. And as we do that, we have to click on connect. And here it is again asking us two options, add new connection or select existing connection. So let's click on add new connection. And here we can find two blanks which we have to enter, API key and the password. So let's read this first. Enter your API key and leave password field blank. So we have to only enter the API and we have to leave this password field blank over here. So from where we are going to find our API key? For that we have to go on our campaign monitor account under account settings and then we have to find our API key. So let's go there. So this is my campaign monitor account and here from the right corner we have to go on profile section and under that we have to select account settings and here from the given options we have to select API keys and here we can find API key. So we'll click on show API key. Now we have to enter a login password over here in order to generate a new API key. Okay, so let us enter a password. So we'll paste our password here and now we have to click on confirm and here we can see that our new API key is generated over here. So let's copy it from here and we have to paste it over here. And now as you know we have to leave this password field blank here. So let's click on save and we can see that our campaign monitor account is also connected with Pabbly Connect. Now what we have to do, we have to enter these fields one by one. So let's start with client account. So I have only one client account here which is Pabbly. So I have selected it. Now the next it is asking the list ID. So from here we have to select the list in which we want to create the subscriber in campaign monitor account. So I want to create a new subscriber in this alpha list. So I'm selecting this. You can select your own list. Now the next it is asking for the email address. So here we are not going to enter these details manually, but instead of that we are going to map the details one by one. So why we are doing this? Because we want that whenever a new lead is also generated through Facebook lead ads, automatically the data of that lead should be captured here in Pabbly Connect and the workflow should not get stuck due to dynamic details such as different name, different email, etc. So therefore we are mapping the details over here. So let's first map the email address. We have to click on it and then we have to go on the previous step, which is Facebook lead ads, and by clicking on it we have to find the email and then simply by clicking on it we have mapped the email. Okay, now the next is the name. So let's map the name also. Okay, so because we have only entered name and email in our form submission and we have not entered these details over there, so I am just ignoring these fields for this particular workflow. Now let's simply click on save and send test request. And as we do that, we can find that our response is positive over here. Now we have to go on campaign monitor account and then we have to check whether we have received the response there or not in the form of a new subscriber. So we are on the campaign monitor account. So from here on the top, we have to select list and subscribers. And after coming on it, we have to select the list in which we have created the subscriber. So I have created the subscriber in this alpha list. So let me select it. So here we can find that yes, a new subscriber is created over here with the same details which we have received through Facebook lead ads. Okay, so that means our workflow is successful here. Now let's summarize what we have done in this workflow. So basically we have taken two steps in this workflow, trigger and action. So in trigger we have taken Facebook lead ads and in action we have taken campaign monitor. So we have integrated both of them by using Pabbly Connect in such a way that now whenever a new lead will be generated through Facebook lead ads, automatically by using the details of that particular lead, a new subscriber will be created in our campaign monitor account. So these were the steps which we have to follow in order to build an integration between these applications. And this was it in this video. I hope this was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Not only these applications, but you can easily integrate many other applications by using Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can easily email us at support@pabbly.com. If you want to ask any query, you can easily reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you are having any pricing related issue with Pabbly Connect, you can easily reach out to the website given over here. Now, if you find this video helpful in any way, do not forget to share it with your friends. And also, please like our videos and subscribe to our channel to learn more such automation.